Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar yen, like I've been saying, we do have two possibilities. Possibility number one is that this move down is a correction to the last 5 waves up, and this is going to be an A, B, C, and then turn back up. Possibility number two is that this really is a wave fire, and this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go down and break this low. Either possibility, we have impulsive, corrective, and impulsive. So until we get to about this point right here, it's really not important to know the difference yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think this first move down is an A. I think this is a B. I think eventually it is going to go down for a C. And most likely, it could be a wave 4, just like the other yen pairs. But it definitely could be a 1, 2, 3 also. So like I was explaining on the higher time phase, it's really not important to know the difference between an A, B, C and a 1, 2, 3 until you get about 2/3 through that third wave. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still up. I still think that this right here is an A. I think this is 3 waves of B with a lower low, which means that it's probably an expanding flat. So I think this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think is going to go up to the 178, 161.8 because that is the target for an expanding flat. All part of a wave B most likely. Just like with all the patterns I showed on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So like I was just explaining, the trend is definitely up. My last structure level is right here. Even if it does break structure to the downside, it seems like it would be a wave 4, which would be a correction to the uptrend, just like what I showed on the higher time frame. So overall, the trend is up, and it really doesn't even have to go down and break structure now. It could just keep on making those higher highs, higher lows. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have US dollar news coming out today, and it does seem like it might end up pushing the dollar down. So I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it did start a move to the downside. But any move I see to the downside, I am always going to be assuming is an ABC on these short time frames until the higher time frames tell me that we made some sort of a significant turn down. So for me personally, I will be waiting for ABC pullbacks. I will be waiting for 3-way pullbacks, impulsive engulfing moves to the upside, preferably breaks of structure to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. At least until we get a clear break and hold below structure, preferably on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame, I am definitely still doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.